Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna tell you how to delete your uploaded resume on the LinkedIn. So just open the browser, search LinkedIn, click on first site, just click on login. I have already logged in, but you have to log in first, then you will see this screen. After that, click on me button, me drop down. Here you can get lots of option like account setting, help, language. In that we have to click on setting and privacy. Once this screen appears, just go down. Here you will not get any option. So first, once you come into the setting part, then just go to the data privacy. Once you click on data privacy, scroll down, and here is one option, job seeking preference. In that you have to click on job application setting. It will open new window. Here I can see my resume, uploaded resume. Just click on these three dots and delete. It will get deleted successfully. So finally we have successfully deleted our uploaded resume into the LinkedIn. Thanks for watching videos. Bye.